Hello everyone, welcome to Artist Studio. I am Real from India. Yeah. In this video, I talk about how to expand and control color ramp with using a map range node. Okay, here downside black part is a subtitle area because subtitles make easy to understand. Here I use a Blender 3.1 beta version. So let's get started. First add a plane here. Rotate 90 degree on x-axis. Numpad 1 to front view. Let's place the area. Open a shader editor. First I want to adjust the viewport. Yeah, alright. Now I enable the node wrangler add-on. I already enable it. So save preferences. Let's give it. First I want to change a material preview to. Now give it a material. Let's add a gradient texture because we understand this. Control T. Give coordinate as an object. Give material. First I adjust this as a good. Yeah, it's a fine result. Rotate on 90 degree. Cool. Now add a color ramp because I adjust this. Now you can. Yeah, it's not vertical. We see on a line. Okay, 0.5. We need to also change one. Yeah, cool. Yeah, it's cool. Add a point because we have some need to see some area. Yeah. Now add a map range here. Use this. First we see for a very small area like 0.45 and is 4.55. Yeah, this if I want to add a color here, this area was small to add details. So I add map range and see the both value because it's expand it with from minimum is 0.45 is expand and 0.55 is expand. Now we have a small area as a 0 to 1 value. See here. We have a same result exactly as this. Now we have a big area to control it. So let make like dispersion like let's add a 3 point. Okay, to two and give it a color. I want to give color like red. Yeah, this is a green and this is a blue. Yeah, it looks good, but it's not a perfect blending. So let's be spline. Happening here. A green color not look so. Let's add a green another. Yeah, it's cool. And we have not these red and blue areas, so let's confirm. Yeah, now we have a good range, right? And we can change it through these two value, minimum and maximum. Let's now control with value node. Let's add a value, and here we use two different, but I it's gone in of I give it from minimum, right? And this value also this, so I 0.45 to 0.55 it difference zero point 0.1, right? So let's add a math node to add it. How to make 0.55? So let's add a 0.1 and let's give from exactly same value. Now this is a thickness control and this is a position control. Now we can animate this value also. Yeah, cool. So it's complete. Okay, so let's now understand with the good real life example. Look like a rainbow. So I want this black area is transparent. So first I enable the screen place reflection from render. Add a transparent shadow. Now these two shadow mix with the mix shadow. And we control the factor with the color ramp node. So I duplicate these. I need these map range also because we control the same thing. Control Shift D. Now backspace to reset the color ramp and give color to control. Oh shit. Okay, I need to option blend mode to alpha blend. Yeah, very good. Right now this white color is transparent become. So let's like this. So like it meant. Yeah, it's complete what I want. But rainbow is in a circular shape, right? So let's change the this to spherical. Yeah, it's cool. But it's not a perfect circle. Let's change the value. Yeah, cool. It was not this. Mm, we also change with the zero point 0.8 work good or not. Leave it. No, it's not because here stuff here. So let's also small 75 good 0.6. Yeah, it's cool. This is actually what I want, but it's actually not like this. Now we don't control this and this, so let's hide it. Yeah, actually, I want to now HDRI. Not one here now. HDRI is a HDRI in the which HDRI has a perfection. You need this kind of. Let's add this sun kind of. Yeah, where is the sun? Yeah, it's here sun. So our rainbow looky here. So let's not good. Let's add a emission. We change also transparency. So let's point alpha 2.5. Yeah, it's cool. Roughness kilo. Yeah, it's cool. And adjust the range. This kind of like this. How we want, right? It's not a tough one. Yeah. Now you know how we control the perfect. Yeah, it's cool. Now you know how to control and expand this by color ramp with the map range node and work at a very small area. Let's change some thickness and some it is too big. Right. What's wrong? Yeah, it's cool. Perfect. Now you can see what we want. Yeah, it's our render. Look like. Yeah, it's cool. Now you understand how it's work. So meet on next tutorial. Bye bye.